Hello everyone, welcome you all in my new video. In this video, I am going to explain the concept of porosity and I am going to solve few numerical based on that. Before going to start the video, you can join my channel in Telegram, the link in the description, and you can also connect me through WhatsApp. Number is here on your screen, so you can connect me through WhatsApp also. So the topic is porosity. So basically the porosity is defined as the ratio of volume of voids in a rock or soil to the total volume of the soil. That is, if we consider V, that is volume of voids in the sample of rock, and Vt or Vb is the bulk volume, or you can say total volume of the rock or soil. So porosity, which is denoted by phi, will be equals to Vv divided by Vt or Vv divided by Vp. So Vt is same as Vp, so don't be confused. So here Vt, which is the volume of the soil sample, Vs volume of the solid particles in the soil, and phi is the porosity of the soil. Now if we consider phi, which is equals to Vv divided by Vt, so Vt is the total volume, that is volume of solid plus volume of void. So Vs is the volume of solid and Vv is the volume of void. So if we consider this equation number 1, now this is considered as equation number 2. So equation 1 will be Vv. Instead of Vt, we can write the sum of Vs plus Vv. So that will be Vs plus Vv. So this is the another form of porosity. So phi is equals to Vv divided by Vs plus Vb. Again, from equation number 2, Vt is equals to Vs plus Vv, or we can say Vv, which is equals to Vt minus Vs. So if we consider Vt is equals to if we consider Vv is the difference of Vt and Vs, this, so equation 1, that is this equation, will be, that is porosity phi, which is equals to Vv and divided by Vt. So instead of Vt we can write, instead of Vv we can write Vt minus Vs, and Vt is same as Vt. So that will be Vt divided by Vt minus Vs divided by Vt. So this will cancel and this will give 1. So porosity phi will be 1 minus Vs over Vt. So this is the formula for porosity in terms of volume of solid present in sample, and this is Vs, and Vt is bulk volume, or we can say total volume of the sample. So this is the formula for porosity in terms of volume. We can also write the formula in terms of density, because volume is connected with density and mass. So this is also the important formula. So you have to remember this equation number 3, equation number 2, and equation number 1. Now the basic definition, that is density, which is equals to mass divided by volume. So density is the ratio of mass and volume. So if we consider, and density is represented by rho. So first we will find the bulk density, that is in density of total sample. So rho b is the density, which is known as bulk density. So that will be equals to, total density will be total mass of the sample, and which is divided by total volume of the sample. So this is the formula for bulk density. Bulk means total. So total mass will contain mass of the solid and mass of the void, because sample will contain solid as well as void. So sum of both will give the total mass of the sample. Similarly, total volume will be the volume of solid, that is mineral, you can say, plus volume of void. But this is rho b, sorry, this is bulk density rho b. So but mass of void is 0, that is air has no mass and void is filled by air. So mass of void will be 0. So rho b will be mass of solid, we can say m of, we can say mineral, divided by volume of solid. So volume of solid will be V mineral plus volume of void, we can say V void. So this will equation number, again we can consider this is equation number first. Similarly, we can define the density of mineral. Density of mineral, and that will be represented by rho m. So rho m will be total mass of mineral present in soil, which is divided by total volume of mineral present in soil sample. So that is the formula for density of mineral, or we can say rho m will be V mineral divided by, sorry, m, that is mass of mineral divided by divided by volume of mineral. So that will be equation second. So if we divide equation first and equation second, so rho b divided by rho m, which is equals to mass of mineral, this is divided by volume of mineral plus volume of void into reciprocal of rho m, that is volume of mineral divided by mass of mineral. So mass of mineral and mass of mineral will cancel out, so rho b divided by rho m, which is equals to volume of mineral divided by volume of mineral plus void, volume of void. So this is the ratio. If we consider this equation number 3, now if we find 1 minus rho b divided by 1 minus rho b divided by rho m, so that will give 1 minus volume of mineral divided by volume of mineral plus volume of void, or that will give volume of void plus, after simplify we will get volume of void plus volume of void, which is divided by volume of mineral plus volume of void. So 1 minus rho b over rho m is the So 1 minus rho b divided by rho m will be volume of void divided by volume of mineral plus volume of void. So this is equation number 3. This is equation number 4. So all these 4 equations we will get, but from this equation number 3, that is phi, which is equals to volume of void, phi is equal to volume of void upon volume of solid plus volume of void. So here, which is same as this, here phi is equals to volume of void divided by volume of mineral plus volume of void. So this is the definition of porosity. So this will be equation number 5th, and this is equation number 4th. So from equation 4 and equation 5th, so phi will be 1 minus rho p divided by rho m. So this is the formula in terms of density, and this is the formula in terms of volume. So phi is equal to 1 minus Vs over Vt. Vs over Vt. So this is the two formula which I will use in solving the problem. So this is the relation between density and porosity, and this is the relation between density and volume. One more important concept is the void ratio. So void ratio is defined as the ratio of volume of void in sample. So void ratio, that is denoted by E, which is equals to volume of voids in sample that is VV, which is divided by volume of solids in sample, that is Vs or Vm. So don't be confused with S and M. So this is the definition of void ratio. So this is the definition of void ratio. So now we will find the relation between porosity and void ratio. So porosity is defined as pore volume divided by bulk volume. Pore volume is void volume divided by volume of void plus volume of solid या volume of mineral. So phi is equals to VV, which is divided by VV plus VS. So phi, which is equals to 1 VV plus VS divided by VV, or we can write 1 which is divided by VV over VV plus VS over VV, which is equals to 1 divided by 1 plus VS over VV. But E, that is void ratio, is Vs. Sorry, void ratio is from here. Void ratio is from here. Void ratio is VV divided by Vs. So 1 over E will be Vs divided by VV. So porosity phi, which is equals to 1 divided by 1 plus 1 over E. So this is the, or we can simplify, phi is equals to E upon E plus 1. So this is the relation between porosity and void ratio. Now we are moving towards the problem. So the problem is the grain density of solid only and the bulk density. So grain density, that is mineral density, which is equals to (2.5) and mineral density is, sorry, bulk density VB is equals to 2.3 gram per centimeter cube, gram per centimeter cube. So this is the value of grain density, equation 1, and bulk density, equation 2. Now the total porosity of the sample is, so porosity is defined as 1 minus, this is the formula, rho B divided by rho M. So 1 minus rho B divided by rho M, which is equals to 1 minus 0.2.3 divided by 2.7, or we can say 2.7 minus 2.3 divided by 2.7, which will be equals to 0.4 divided by 2.7, or we can say phi, which is equals to 0.1481. So this is the value in decimal, or in fraction phi will be 14.81%. So the porosity will be 14.81%. Now next is the void ratio. The void ratio of an unconsolidated clay sample is 1.19, that is E is equals to 1.19. E is given as 1.19, so we have to find the value of porosity. Phi we have to find. So here we define the relation between porosity and void ratio, which is phi is equals to E upon E plus 1. So porosity phi is equals to E upon E plus 1, which is equals to 1.19 divided by 1.19 plus 1, which is equals to 1.19 divided by 2.19. So phi will be 0.5433 in decimal, and phi is equals to 54.33 percentage in fraction. So the answer will be 54.33 percentage. So please subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. Thank you so much.